Bangrit is here. Hi guys, welcome to Trade Bangrit. My name is Bangrit Solomon, and you know how we do it every morning here. Today is Sunday, the 7th day of um June 2026. Okay, so let's watch what BTC did yesterday. Don't forget yesterday I told you for a fact that I'm expecting BTC to come and trade at least 50% of this breaker block yesterday, and you can see. Okay, so I want to show you the fact that the buy is not late yet on BTC, because definitely I'm expecting BTC to get to 65,700, that area, before we see another reaction. Okay, so the buy is still early. So let's check the weekly and see what the weekly is doing. Okay, yeah, exactly, that's zone I just showed you. Even on the weekly, I'm expecting it, if possible, because this have to be a weekly rejection that we will need to retest tomorrow before the actual move to the upside. Okay, so I told you yesterday, because of how strong this zone is, that's why I'm still a kind of believing that Bitcoin might push from here. Anyway, whatever you are doing, you have to be very careful. You have to do all your trades with confirmations. Without confirmation, you're gambling. Without proper strategy, you're gambling. Without proper risk management, you are definitely gambling in the market. Okay, as I always will tell you, your ability to recognize pattern is an edge. The ability to recognize chart pattern, candlestick pattern, and understand price action is a very big edge. Okay, so let's watch and see what Bitcoin have for us today. That's it. The weekly is still trying to close so bearishly. Okay, this weekly candle will be closing today or early tomorrow morning, 1 a.m. West African time. Okay, so I'm expecting this today to have a very massive rejection, guys. I'm expecting this pump to get to around 65k region, so that we'll see a rejection, weekly rejection after this candle close tomorrow. Even though it will be a bearish rejection. Okay, then we'll see what next. Okay, that's that for the weekly. Let's come to the daily. Don't forget, we are day traders and scalpers, so this is why I told you that the buy is still early. Okay, because we still have about more than $10,000 movement to get to the zone I told you that I'm expecting BTC to pump to. Okay, so don't forget, let's see what BTC did yesterday. There's nothing much. This is a dodgy candle, a bearish dodgy candle on the daily. Let me remove this so that you can see it well. Yeah, look at it. Can you see it? Anytime you are seeing this is an indecision candle, meaning that buyers and sellers are still dragging feet to know who will take over. And from the opening, Asians are trying to start this buy. I always trust it when Asians start a buy, but there is always a complication. Okay, the complication is the fact that Asians might buy, and what do we call it? London might decide to continue the buy, and then New York will come and sell. If this is the new phase we are entering, I will let you guys know in the subsequent days. But let's watch it, because BTC, even though before Asians, BTC were kind of trying to recover, and Asians are trying to help the situation to recover it to the upside. So don't forget, if you are watching the short clip of this video, don't forget to go to our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and have access to the full video. Okay, and don't forget to share this video to all your fellow traders and all your friends that might need it. Okay, this will be helpful. This video is particularly for those that are afraid of trading BTC and those that are actively trading BTC. So it's not an attempt to give you a left signal, but an attempt to show you what BTC did the previous day and what you should expect the current day as a day trader and as a scalper. Okay, even though we usually give a general overview, so even as a swing trader, you can still make use of this analysis and make money. Okay, so let's watch. This is the daily candle. We are seeing a green. Okay, so don't be deceived. Before you enter, you have to enter on confirmation if you are not on the buy already. Okay, so for those that entered the buy yesterday, they are in massive profit right now. So, and I have shown you guys my target for this buy. So let's go to 4 hours and see what the Asian market did for the first 4 hours of the Asian market that will be closing in the next 15 minutes. Okay, so yeah, you see how bullish the candle is trying to close. So if I were you, I will not jump into this candle now. Rather, what I would do is to wait for London open. So if this candle should close bullishly like this, that means it's a very big boost for this pump today. And don't forget, this Sunday, the market, the forex market is still closed, which will be opening later today in the night. Okay, so I'll wait for the next candle of the Asians. Maybe you can trade a pullback and then continue the sell, or wait totality London open to see how everything goes. Okay, so that's why I told you that you have to always do your things on confirmation. Okay, so this rejection block have been tapped in yesterday and the market is moving to the upside. So told you around this region is my target. Don't forget, on a general note, we are still bearish from the weekly to the daily. Okay, we are still bearish. 4 hours is just trying to give us a double bottom that might retest before the next pullback to the downside. Okay, so don't get it complicated. BTC chart is always clean and precise to understand if you follow price action and understand market structure. Okay, so let's see how it goes today. If you go to 1 hour, you'll see that 1 hour, 4 hours, and 1 hour is screaming a kind of upside. But you have to do everything you are doing with confirmation. even though because of yesterday, Saturday price action is sluggish, the movement was not that precise and clear, but you have to, it's what you are seeing, you have to understand where the market is trying to head to. Okay, on a general note, we are still bearish, don't get it twisted. Okay, but from the price action we are trying to see now, it's like something will be pulling up. So as a day trader, you don't need to focus on a lot of things, you just need to focus on the current price action, make your entry and print your money. It's as simple as that. Okay guys, thank you so much. Earlier tomorrow morning we'll do our weekly review and our daily review as well. Okay, so expect something huge coming, and don't forget to join our Telegram channel where we'll do analysis every morning 11 a.m. West African time, and follow my X handle. You can see it on the screen of this video. My X handle at bongrate.hub. So follow so that you will always see when I drop a live signal for trade, and always follow. Don't forget to join our WhatsApp community as well. Share this video and follow this page for more updates like this. Thank you so much for having me. I wish you a very happy Sunday and a very profitable day to all the crypto traders. Peace and love, and don't forget that Bongrate is out. See you guys in our next review. Bye for now.